Hello and welcome to class 11 computer science lectures. We are studying unit 1 computer system and organization. The topic that we will be studying today is concept of cloud computing and its deployment models. So first of all, let us study what cloud computing is. So in cloud computing, the term cloud refers to internet or network present at remote location. So cloud computing basically refers to remote access of hardware or software resources for access, configuration, and manipulation. Cloud computing offers online data storage, infrastructure, and applications. Applications can be customer relationship management, that is CRM, email, web conferencing, execute on cloud, etc. It can work on public and private networks, that is WAN, LAN, or VPN. Next, we have the uses of cloud computing. So, using cloud computing, we can create new apps and services, store, backup, and recover data. That is in case if our data is lost, then if the backup is there on the cloud, then we can recover that data. We can also host websites and blogs, stream audio and video files. We can deliver software on demand, that is according to the customer requirement, analyze data for patterns and make future predictions like what the customer might want in future based on his buying history or based on his previous patterns. Next, we have the working models for cloud computing. So these are basically of two types, deployment models and service models. So here in this video, we will be studying only about the deployment models. In the next video, we will discuss the service models. So there are four types of deployment models. Public cloud, that is for general public. Private cloud, that is for an organization only. Community cloud, that is for group of organizations. And hybrid cloud, that is a mixture of public and private cloud. Now in your syllabus, we just have to study public and private cloud according to the syllabus. Community cloud and hybrid cloud are not in your syllabus. So public cloud. A public cloud is a type of computing in which a service provider makes resources available to the public via the internet. Now, what does this actually mean? It means that public cloud is basically a service model for data storage on a pay-per-use basis. It is often used for backing up data as disaster recovery plan, that is DRP, as well as archiving email and static non-core application data. Its usage is generally charged on a dollar per GB per month basis. Provider public cloud is responsible for building and maintaining the storage infrastructure and its associated costs, including power, cooling, and server maintenance. So the examples are ESDS, Inlight Cloud, Amazon Elastic Compute, Cloud EC2, IBM Blue Cloud, Sun Cloud, Google App Engine, Windows Azure Service Platform, and the most commonly used one, Google Drive. The next type of deployment model is private cloud. So the private cloud is defined as computing services offered either over the internet or a private internal network and only to select users instead of general public. So in public cloud, it was available for the general public. Everyone can use. But here in private cloud, what happens is that only the employees of the organization can use it, and it is basically designed just for a particular organization. So it is a type of storage mechanism that stores an organization's data at in-house storage servers only by the cloud implementation. It is not publicly accessible and is owned by a single organization and its authorized external partners only. Private cloud storage is also known as internal cloud storage. Now, if we talk about some real example of private cloud, then SBI Bank in India has built their own private cloud on top of VMware technologies with the name of Meghdoot. They actually wanted to take the advantage and benefit of cloud computing. So to build a private cloud, a platform is needed. So VMware provided that platform. So these are the name of the largest players in private cloud which provide the platform on which they can build their own private cloud, like HPE, that is Hewlett Packard Enterprise, VMware, Dell EMC, Oracle, and Red Hat. They all provide the platform on which a certain organization can build their own private cloud according to their needs. So this was all for this session. Thank you.